This was such an impulsive idea. It was actually supposed to be a family trip. However, considering how last minute it was, nobody could leave their commitments, and I almost decided to stay behind as well. But then I thought to myself that I really needed to hit the reset button and escape the norm, escape my everyday routine, have a change of environment, a different atmosphere, and experience different energies. So I decided to go at it alone, and this will actually be my first time traveling such a great distance by myself. Bathroom break. I hope my taxi hasn't left me because I was playing in the bathroom. Yeah, we're in this random town, I don't know where. And this is not my first time visiting this destination. In the past, I went 4 or 5 times with my mom, and the most recent time that we visited was in 2016 as a family. Fun fact, we actually ended up in Mozambique for a couple of days. Fun fact, I was informally detained at this border because they accused me of being illegal. And I was so terrified that I would be left by my taxi bus because I kept seeing all the other passengers moving along to the other check-in points, and I was just stuck there. I was also scared that I would be formally detained. Luckily, they checked through my documents thoroughly, everything checked out, and they let me go. Disclaimer. When I began editing this video, I contacted all the people that were featured to confirm that they were still comfortable with me posting them. The people that I stayed with throughout my entire visit had a change of heart and forbade me from posting them. I obliged, which meant that I had to delete a lot of footage, blur and crop out certain clips, and alter some voices in order to respect their wishes. So apologies if today's video seems a bit more chaotic than usual. I tried my best to stitch the little bit of content that I had left in a way that would still make sense. Watch until the end, I'm sure you'll still enjoy. Where the other doggos?
He's asking who you are.
Hi.
She keeps on looking at me and then looking.
Yeah, my name is Samantha. I know your name is Lola. Oh my gosh, it's kind of cute. Scary, but cute. These are so delicious. I'm just munching on these. These are so good. They're called Jolly Jammers. They got them for me. Oh my gosh. I've been trying to edit with these nails. With these raccoon nails. I can do everything else. I can wipe in those areas. I can do everything, but then editing and cutting onions. Yeah, it's not doing it. Like this, take it like that, and you do this. How do you do it? Okay, and then you use this repression. Okay, and then smushed. Oh no, my hands are getting dirty. This is how it looks. This is so delicious, guys. This is really good. A 10 out of 10. Mari biscuits and then some marshmallows. How is it? 10 out of 10. Also have some chibaki on the side. I love this. Roasted corn, for those who don't know what chibage means. This is them. Can they jump up? Okay, so I'm so scared. These are... Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I am so terrified. Okay, so this is my workstation, guys. We have got the chopping board. 6 eggs because it's going to be 3 people. 3 times 2. Onions, pepper, tomato, and we've got the seasoning. This is a very simple meal that my mom and I always made, so let's go, guys. she saw this on TikTok where you put like a damp cloth, a wet cloth. The paper towel was on the board, but I didn't want it on the board because I didn't want my onions to have bits of paper towel. So I decided to put them here, and guess what? I'm not crying. The hardest thing to chop is the onions. This is actually easy because it's not breaking up with you. Okay, we're making scrambled eggs but with some soup. And then this will be next, followed by these eggs. Mixing it and mixing it and mixing it.
Okay, until the egg solidifies.
Yes. Then I ended up using these two spices, the Cajun spice and the garlic and herb. And this is what we've got going on. Let me go back to mixing it.
I love how we were originally gonna make a fried egg, and then you decided to put 2 eggs in one bowl, and now we're here an hour later.
It was just supposed to be simple fried eggs. Like I was gonna make like 3 fried eggs for the 3 of us. Then I was like, you know, it escalated, guys. It escalated, but this is gonna be yummier. A beautiful view. And we have the mountains in the back. The mountains! Oh my gosh, I love this so much.
Please don't ask me what it is that I wanna say. It's not anything that you could obtain. Got too many things that I could say, can mess it up. I don't wanna laugh, just wanna touch. Am I too much for you? I've been waiting for sure I got my issues, but please don't tell me they're just issues. There's nothing wrong about my pride. It's protecting me.
This is breadcrumbs, grated breadcrumbs, grated green pepper. I made a mistake here. We're gonna add this into the mix, but I made a mistake by chopping this one. All the juice, we're gonna pour it into the soup. Okay, so right now I am grating the onions so that I can squeeze the juice out and have it for the soup, like the pepper. And then this will be for the meatballs. This is my outfit. This is my outfit, guys. Okay, so now we're putting the grated pepper, green pepper, and the grated onions into the bowl. Remember, guys, that you want to squeeze all the juices out. It should kind of be dry. So this, I said, we're going to add it in a soup later on. The mixture! It looks so nice, the colors. Go on, go on. I asked if she wanted to do it because I have, and imagine all the meat and all the egg.
Claws.
Yeah, I have claws. So imagine all of that inside my nails. How disgusting that would be. What we're gonna be putting in here is some Cajun spice, some chili and garlic, and then we have some salt. You can also add barbecue because that's gonna like really taste good, but we didn't have it, so this is what we're using. But this is gonna slap either way. Don't play with us. Okay, so we decided to add a bit of garlic and herb. Oh, this thing was open. Okay. Okay, so let's do this. Oh my gosh, it's sticking. It ate the flour. It ate the flour. Okay, you know what? It's fine. This one meatball. We are done now with the meatballs. We're gonna, what is it called, fry them, and then we're gonna do the soup, add our breadcrumbs, and we're gonna do the spaghetti last. Let's put some meatballs in so they still have that bit of, you know, flour, but you just need to cook them. So we're gonna do a taste test to see if it's okay. Let's go. It's not cooked. This is not cooked.
Even though it's not cooked, it still tastes.
It tastes good. It tastes good. Some cooking conundrums. We were trying to find my chopped onions, which I chopped yesterday for today, and then she grabs a ball from there, and it's look what it is. It's our grated green pepper. Look at this mess, and she just, you don't grab aggressively, especially when you're still a shorty. So yeah, we need to just find where I put those onions. She's doing the soup. Yeah, I'm doing this and the second batch. This one is done. That's the second batch. Okay, so this is our current situation. There's spaghetti, there is the meatballs and the soup, and we put some breadcrumbs, other breadcrumbs in the soup because that's what my mom told us to do. I don't know why, but I'm not questioning it. But it's the breadcrumbs ate the soup basically. So we're gonna she's making more soup there, and then there's some soup in the fridge, but we're gonna put it on top of everything when it's done. It's gonna get swallowed again. But here's the thing, we used a different brand of macaroni and a different brand of spaghetti, and now the macaroni is done but the spaghetti is not, and it's mushy and disgusting and raw. So I'm freaking out. Could you tell? I'm just doing the dishes now. I'm the healthy one with the salad in the middle there. We started cooking at 3 and we finished cooking at 8. Yeah, don't ask us how that ended up happening, but it did. And my granny came through, my great aunt came through, and she saved this because we used 2 different brands and they weren't supposed to be mixed, but then we ended up making a fresh batch, or my granny did. So yeah, let's dig in. To me, the food tasted a bit undercooked and it looked undercooked, so I've just decided to give up on the meatballs and have mince instead. There's my food right there. That's my food. Okay, so final thoughts. It's disgusting. It is very much disgusting, and it's raw. I can taste that it's raw. I realized we were talking, and then we realized our mistake. We were supposed to put a lid on probably so that the meatballs could cook through. And actually, number 1, we shouldn't have made them so big, the meatballs, and then number 2, we should have closed the pot with the lid. So yeah, even the mince still tastes disgusting. I'm not eating them. Your thoughts?
Too raw. It's just fine.
It looks great, but honestly speaking, I could lie to you guys and say, oh my gosh, it was delicious. It wasn't. This is cute. They have Ocean Basket too. New mall in Swaziland. Doing some last minute shopping
And waffles.
yes, we're making waffles, guys. These are gonna be roasted. These are gonna be roasted. These are gonna be roasted. Then we're gonna make some French fries, and then there's some ribs in there. So this is how my granny loves doing her soup. She blends it instead of chopping everything up. So yeah, this is convenient though. It depends on the kind of soup that you're trying to make. I'm still doing this. We're making waffles, guys, and these are the ingredients. Wish us luck. Hopefully it doesn't turn out like those meatballs from the other day. Okay, back to baking. We're having a bake-a-thon, right? At this point, what are we calling it? We got our ingredients here and there. Okay, so first of all, this is not egg yolk, this is oil. So what we did was we basically made like holes like this and then put some oil in there. But anyways, now we're gonna be doing the eggs. Now we're just mixing the mixture. Let's go. Oh, this is actually a little bit harder than I thought. We should have used a mixing bowl, an actual spoon to mix. Okay, we added a bit of milk and then we mixed it up some more. This is the final look, semi-final look. Now we're gonna spray the trays and then put our batter inside. On our way to visit, we're having a lunch. It's a very nice view. Ice cream, cake, and some chocolate. And now we are on the way back home. Grilled sandwich, grilled peanut butter and jam sandwich, plums and a peach, and some bread, homemade bread. Okay, I know you guys are looking at me with a bombastic side eye, but I can explain at my grown age why I was doing a puzzle. I just wanted to tap into my inner child. And this was therapeutic. This is the equivalent to completing an adult coloring book, and they were even laughing at me because I was just too excited to do this puzzle. There's just something, man, about doing things that you never really do on a daily. Goodbye, doggos. They keep searching us. She wanted. This is Lebu, guys. I made a new friend. My granny got me some lays. Guys, don't mind my fingers. We got some of these Maynards, and we're doing KFC this time. When I was coming, remember it was McDonald's. And then we also have my favorites. I love this aloe vera. Well, you don't like it? Ah, I love it, man. This is the good stuff. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be feasting on. Oh, they came to collect. All is well. Going to the car now, so I'll see you guys in the next vlog.